In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos to frames in Canva. Whether you're a designer creating a stunning presentation or just someone looking to spruce up your social media posts, learning the art of framing images in Canva is a skill you'll find invaluable. Let's dive right in. First, open Canva and head over to your design project. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu with several options. Look for the one labeled Elements and click on it. This section is a treasure trove of design tools in Canva, allowing you to add shapes, lines, graphics, and more, but today we're focusing on frames. Once you've clicked on elements, use the search bar to find frames. Type that in and you'll see a variety of options appear. Frames in Canva act as placeholders, giving your design a unique edge by allowing your photos to fit creatively within them. Since our objective is to explore all available options, click on See All. This will open up an extended list of frame options. Take your time scrolling through. You'll find an abundance of shapes and sizes, from circular frames to those inspired by Polaroids. Choose the one that best fits your creative vision by simply clicking on it. With your frame in place, it's time to add your photo. To do that, navigate to the Uploads tab found on the left menu. Click on it, bringing you to a section where you can upload your own images from your computer. Canva supports various file types, so whether you have a JPEG, PNG, or even a GIF, you can easily bring your image into Canva. When your image is uploaded, simply drag and drop it onto the frame. This action automatically snaps your photo into place, perfectly cropped to match the frame's dimensions. You can adjust the position of the image within the frame by double clicking and dragging the image to get the right focus you're going for. And that's it, you now know how to add photos to frames within Canva, elevating your designs by combining both creativity and functionality. Play around with different frames and images to see what works best for your project. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with various elements within Canva to become more proficient with your design projects. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, or leave a comment below with any questions. Keep designing, and have a wonderful day.